Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming billing and that you have owner or IAM admin permissions. This is essential so changes apply. Once done, open the Cloud Console, pick your project, and locate the storage bucket you intend to share. Make sure to identify the exact users, service accounts, or Google groups you want to add. Now choose whether to use IAM roles for coarse-grained access or ACLs for per-object control. This decision shapes how you manage permissions later, so think ahead. Next, you apply the chosen access method. If you use IAM, assign the minimal storage role, Object Viewer for read-only, Object Creator to upload, Storage Admin to manage. If you need per-file control, set object ACLs or create signed URLs for time-limited sharing. Make sure to propagate permissions to new objects if required, and use the G-Cloud CLI or console to verify effective permissions. Once configured, test with a non-admin account to confirm users can perform intended actions without extra. To finish, enable audit logging and monitoring so you can track access patterns and detect misuse. This helps explain who did what and why. Make sure lifecycle policies and uniform bucket-level access match your security goals, and revoke or reduce roles when access ends. If something goes wrong, check the IAM hierarchy and organization policies first, because higher-level denies can override bucket grants. Also inspect ACLs for conflicting rules. Finally, rerun a permissions test to confirm fixes resolve the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.